Meaning of liberalism.
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 Liberalism. Liberalism is a political and moral philosophy that emphasizes individual freedom, equality under the law, and the protection of civil rights. It is based on the idea that individuals should be free to make their own choices and pursue their own interests without interference from the government or other individuals or groups. Liberalism also stresses the importance of democracy, the rule of law, and the separation of powers in government. In general, liberalism seeks to promote individual autonomy, diversity, and tolerance, while opposing authoritarianism, oppression, and inequality.